Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically hide like the the subtitles, and as well as like how you can make a clear display. So for instance, there's some text like covered by the name or the caption or the profile picture, and you just want to see like a clear version. You're just going to click on the screen real quick and select clear display. I can't select it now because I am screen recording, but as you can see there's a clear display button, and to hide the the subtitle, just press the I guess it's called captions as well. Select it and select hide captions, since this person has a caption there, so I don't need to, I guess. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.